Okay, pick a number between 1 and 23.
24.
I don't have a
14.
number. Okay, 1, 2,
7.
3, 4, 5, 14. Okay, got it.
Rosie, you better pick a good one.
She's picked a very good one, trust me.
Oh, fucking hell.
This is me and Cushy and Graw. I am hungry, squeak, squeak.
I am hungry! As I look at you with devouring looks in my eyes.
It's Gra!
I am hungry. I will eat Cushy.
Why is Gra holding a toolbox with a pencil in it?
It's not a pencil, I think.
We are going to have a picnic in Young Street Park. Pack everything you want.
I love the fact you've
I am hungry.
I am hungry as I look at
Squeak,
you with my arms out in a welcoming manner, but fierce look in my eyes. I love the fact you've written their names above the person. Me, Cushy, Gra.
Why do you have green bangs?
I don't.
You do?
You've got boxes on your feet.
Those are shoes.
No, they're not.
They are. Why your
No,
shoes
they
are
are
like,
not.
Your shoes are like 4 feet high.
Why does Cushy look like a seal?
How does Cushy walk?
She goes flop.
I understand.
I'm gonna make a joke, but I don't want to.
Why is the sun behind the sky?
Cause it is.
This is me and Cushy and Gra.
I love the lack.
don't
I'm sorry.
do
I've got to appreciate the lack of effort that's gone into the sky. It's just you've just scribbled and like, yeah, that's good. I'll do.
Why? This is such... How old were you when you drew this?
Probably like 6.
Damn, I was drawing better than that when I was 6.
Jesus.
Gra's feet go up almost like 40 degrees.
Wait,
She must be in some sort of excruciating pain as she walks.
Why are you bringing a pencil to a picnic?
It's a pencil. It is a pencil.
and those are 2 black oranges or something.
Black orange.
Bring what you want as I bring the very minimum I can.
I don't know what that pencil-looking thing is, but it's not a pencil.
Yes, it is.
Definitely
Graw's
is a
arms are longer than she is tall.
He's looking into the camera of just breaking the fourth wall. Just scream out for anyone that's living.
Hold on, wait.
We are
What's up with
going
her
to
eyes?
have a
Because there's
picnic.
just 2 white gaps in the eyes that are clearly meant to be there because you did it on both.
Yeah.
They're highlights.
Those are awful eye highlights.
No, they're just
We
they're
are
the
going
whites
to
of
have
the
a
eyes. They're the whites of the eyes.
That's weird. What's wrong? Wait. Like the sides of her head. What are on those?
I don't know. I honestly have no
Earrings.
clue. They're probably ears. They're probably her ears. No,
She is orange and white, but her ears are blue. This is the generation we're in.
Oh my god. Why her legs are so short?
Because I just drew like that.
Each arm is as long as 2 legs.
Longer.
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
yet
god.
again, as with every picture, there are no knees.
The best part is she never even had hair like that. It was never that long and it was never purple.
And apparently, according to you, all you say is "I am hungry" towards your animal.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I love it. You say "I am hungry," expecting some sort of like constructed, expressive response, but it just comes back with squeak, squeak.
Squeak, squeak.
I don't know what else you're expecting.
What in the heck?
Eat whatever. So I can eat whatever I want when I
I have finished
my
eel.
meal. Eel.
I have finished eel.
When I have finished my meal.
Doesn't even say that. It just says I have finished eel.
Look, if you look closely, it says D and then ing. It says D and then my on her head.
You had to write it in a different color so it could be seen.
Yes, I
Eat
did.
whatever I want when I have finished eel.
I have finished
Finna
eel.
eel.
Finished eel.
I can eat whatever I want when I have finished eel. Period.
Who is that?
That's my Gra.
She has purple legs. Thanos Gra.
Thanos Gra. You thought those
Oh,
legs
no.
were bad. Check this out.
Hole for
Oh.
shopping. Hole for shopping. What the fuck?
Like, how are you fucking gonna fit the...
Or is that a person?
fabrics of
Why
our
is the
society
banana
show
so
that customers to work.
Her body is bigger than the shopping thing.
Why does the shopping cart have a doorbell?
Because
Rick.
I was obsessed with shopping. I was obsessed with like going shopping when I was like 5 and
Hole for shopping.
shopping,
Shopping
shopping,
shopping poo.
shopping.
You
There's-
forgot to put the other P
wait,
in shopping,
yeah.
so you just put it at the end.
Is that an emo cushy?
No, it's just
Hold
a
on.
cushy.
Can we talk about the proportions of this body again? Look at the
Yes.
legs compared to the length of the body. Also, are they pregnant?
You hear this little cat? He's gonna interrupt the recording.
Okay.
Okay,
What does that sign
fine.
say? Cussy shop.
Cussy shop.
Kusi shop.
Cushy shop.
What gets sold?
Can
Kusi.
we focus on the bananas for a minute and how they're literal C's?
Why is the second and third one floating?
Connie doesn't obey gravity.
I also love the fact you've written hole for shopping, just in case we didn't know.
You put the shopping in there and it's not even gonna fucking fit according to that size.
How do
It's
you
a
intend-
cushy shop and they're selling no cushies.
Hold on, if you wanted to take something out of the cart, how do you go about doing that?
The door.
Once you commit, you commit.
So you have to stop your shopping, get on your hands and knees, open the door, and then pull the item out.
Yes.
You go through more effort of getting something out of the trolley than you do going in.
Oh, by the way, they do sell cushies. They're on the shelf behind Gra.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh wait, apparently that's Gra. Gra's now
Why
like
does
8
Gra
feet
have
tall.
20 different personalities?
Gra's a shapeshifter. She takes on many forms. So
God,
far,
Gra.
we've seen her with purple hair, yellow teeth, and now 20 feet fucking tall.
Gra is an SCP.
In a minute, we're gonna see Gra the fucking tall of a building. Gra will just climb onto
Gra
the
the
roof. in
Godzilla.
one step.
What? Wait.
Godzilla, but it's Gra.
Grazilla.
Godzilla Gra.
Grazilla's fucking enemy is Godzilla.
Why does that cushy look so upset? It looks so sad.
Sunday,
Aw.
yesterday, I went for a picnic. It was in my garden. You are bald.
That's not me. That's Gra.
Gra is smaller than
Oh,
you.
great. Here we go. Another piece to go in the museum. What are we looking at here? Sunday, yesterday, I went for a picnic. It was in my garden. Well, fucking, that was adventurous, wasn't it? That was a fucking day out.
Oh, I
Let's-
went to the
let's
cafe.
analyze
Where
this.
was it? In my house.
Yeah, I ate some lunch. Where? In the kitchen.
I went out for lunch. Where? Oh, I went to my room.
So I've just got.
Can we
I've
talk
just
about how
got.
Gra is smaller than you, and the basket is bigger than both of you, and both of you are bald?
Actually,
We
no.
just- oh my
Wait. I don't even know which one's meant to be me because neither of them have glasses on, and Granny always has glasses in my drawing, so I don't know.
You mean Gra?
I don't know who
It's
I'm
two
having
of
a
you.
picnic with, but it
Can we also?
probably isn't Gra.
Can I just climb for a second here? Can we just address the fact that the fucking sun is mere inches away from your head?
Yeah.
Literally, you should be in peril. You should be in absolute pain.
That's why
right now.
they're bald because the hair like
Burns
burned
off.
their hair off.
Yet they still smile through the agonizing fucking pain of the sun's.
Wait, are you a spider? Because why are like all of your wings just out?
You're not even. Neither of you are sitting. You're both floating.
You're cool.
Who's supposed
You invented the floating hoodies.
Sunday's
Are
fucking.
you related to
mental.
Quite?
Jesus, Sunday's a mad one.
Wait, what are you guys even eating?
Food?
You're not-
Or consuming?
I don't know what you're eating, but you're holding a box in your left hand.
That's a sandwich.
Whoever the pink person is, one of their arms is coming out of their neck.
That's what I said. Yeah.
And the other one's coming out of my
Yeah.
boob.
We've moved. So we've moved on.
Oh,
Moving
is
on
that
to
a
next-
cult? It looks like a cult.
You're not having dinner. You're having a fucking family fucking gathering.
She
but-
had dinner with us. She never left. We killed her.
Is me and that's at the bottom.
Oh yeah, it is me and
The explanation is cut off.
she had dinner with us. Haha, guys,
Again.
let's really quote the picture. More like she committed a ritual with us. We summoned.
Literally.
Let's look at the person on the right here. What happened? Why?
They sliding out of their chair.
They are stiff. Or might I say dead.
Yo, guys, rigor mortis really sets in quick nowadays.
They just set up a body there because they were lonely.
Wait, one of them is literally just like a black mist.
I'll say, what is that black, like, silhouetted mass in the center? Is it? So yeah, you've got Connie on the left, Grass Sister on the right, and then the knowledgeable one in the center.
It's
The higher being.
Oh god. How do you know that the shadow isn't Grass?
In fact, no, that wasn't anyone. It was just them two, but they actually summoned Grass Sister, and there she's in the center there. She is the
an
mouse.
Enderman.
You shut up.
Is an Enderman.
I keep thinking about that meme. I don't want to say it because it's really racist. But
Oh well, that's a good open. That's a strong start. Don't want to say.
Let's move on. Let's move on.
Thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like, and if you're new here, subscribe. I will be posting more parts to this video since I got over an hour of footage of us roasting more of my dumb childhood drawings. It really was fun to record and edit this, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ConnieTreeCow, and lastly I have 2 Discord servers, Pinecone Forest and the Reddit Crew Appreciation server. Links to both will be in the description. We have a lot of fun in those, and you're welcome to join in. That's all for this video. This is Conifer. I'll see you guys next time, and smash that motherfucking like button.